What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you're too. If you're not feeling great, I hope this video will make it better. You feel me? Make sure you grab a laptop while watching the video. That way you can just like work with me. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community. Let's just dive right into this beautiful beat making session. Let's just open up Analog Lab. So I'm just going to use a MIDI from Nico's MIDI kit. Super fire. Like I tested it out yesterday and I was like mind blown with these MIDIs. It's also like super easy to use. You can literally just like drag and drop it in there and it just like boom, melody for you. Like, you know, Nico got you, you feel me? Let's go over to the D minor chords and R&B neo soul. So I kind of want to go for like the R&B chords. So let's just see what. Yo, I'm loving these chords, bro. Like, let me just like mess around with these chords. This preset I'm using is from Analog Lab, from the Impulse kit. Like, as you can see, I just demonstrated like a few MIDIs right here. Super easy. You can just like go through them super easily. It's just really nice to like switch up your workflow because you don't need to know any music theory. It's just like literally drag and drop, and it just gives you like a lot of creativity when you feel like you're stuck and stuff. So make sure to go check it out. The link is right there in the description. Right there, that link will give you 70% off. Make sure to go check it out, bro. It's super fire. Let's get it. Let's just add this vocal in there, see if it fits the melody. After that, we're just going to like try and flip it. Alright, I got the melody rendered out right now. I love to like flip my melodies because right now it's sounding a little bit too basic, you feel me? So I'm going to try and like spice it up a little bit more. So sit back, relax and enjoy or work with me, you feel me? That's fire, bro. Ain't gonna cap, bro. Like, I really love how it is sounding. A little bit unique as well. So let's just see if we can add like some fire drums to it. Right here with this exit, I want it to go like down, like that. So I'm going to add like a sliding note in there. Bro, you know what would be hard? If we like started to beat in like a different pitch and then just like let it come in like the different pitch, if that makes sense. So we can maybe even create an automation clip for the tempo, so that way it's like beginning slow and stuff, little smooth wavy bounce, and then just comes in way faster and then like a different pitch. So let's just see how this sounds. Wow, crazy beat. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at SkanaBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.